If you're ready to upgrade your setup, this is it. Meet the new Peak Solus Pro 3. This machine has a softer hit and runs smooth, steady, and controlled with more consistent power and performance, whether you're lining, shading, or packing. We updated the grip for a more balanced feel to help with hand strain over longer sessions. The machine has less vibration and noise, meaning more comfort for you and a more relaxed atmosphere for your client. This machine has an expanded adjustable stroke range from 2.5 to 4.5 millimeters, a voltage range from 5 to 12 volts, equating to about a hertz range of 58 to 132 hertz, and has a full color 1.2-inch TFT display. The Peak Solus Pro 3 has a 5 to 10 hour runtime depending on setup. It takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge and is compatible with the Solus Pro and the Solus Pro 2 battery when using the adapter. It comes with an RCA module and cable and a USB-C wall charger. Additional batteries are sold separately. The Solus Pro 3 is compatible with the Darklab Ergo Shield and Radix foot switch. This machine comes in black, charcoal, and pink, all in a clean matte finish for $399. The Peak Solus Pro 3, powered for what's next.